Sultan. Good morning. This is a historic event for Azerbaijan. You are fighting in Baku UFCs for the first time in Azerbaijan. What's the feeling to be part of such a historic event?
I'm very proud to be a part of UFC Baku, and I'm very thankful to the UFC.
You got such top opponents such as Muhammad Naimov. What kind of adjustments you made for this fight?
The adjustments I've made for this fight, you're gonna see on Saturday night.
That's right. You plan to finish fight early, or you're ready for all 3 rounds?
I'm ready for all 3 rounds, but I think it's gonna be a finish.
Yeah, that was such a tough way for you since Dana White contended series first fight. This didn't want it like you wanted, and you start over again. And what's the feeling to be part of such kind of big promotion like UFC, especially going from Europe?
Oh, it's amazing to be a part of the UFC. They treat me like I've never been treated before in an organization. And I was in a good organization before, in Cage Fight Series, in cooperation with UFC Fight Pass. They are very good, but UFC is the highest level.
Thank you.
Short translation. Sual verildi ki, I just translate to Azerbaijan. Sual verildi ki, bu UFC'nin tarixi bir turnirdə Azərbaycanda keçiriləcək. Hansı hissləri keçirdirsiniz? Döyüşçü də cavab verdi ki, bu çox xoşbəxtəm ki, bu tarixi turnirin bir parçası olacaq. Rəqibi Muhammad Naimov olacaq. Sual verildi ki, məsələn, qeym planı nədir, döyüş planı nədir, 3 round döyüşməyə hazırdırmı? O dedi ki, 3 round döyüşməyə hazıram, amma mənim məqsədim onu finish eləmək, onu vaxtından əvvəl qalib gəlməkdir və ümumiyyətlə UFC parçası olmaq, bir parçası olmaq bu böyük xoşbəxtlikdir. Çünki UFC bu bir başqa bir səviyyədir. Kimin sualı varsa verə bilər.
You are also first European. You are from the Central Europe. You are only one from the European side. What it's like to represent the European MMA on this event?
I feel honored to represent the European fighters here, and I'm gonna give it my all to make we all and all our country people proud.
This is like when you first fought on Tom Rowan and Dana White series. That was a hard fight, and then you also won in the second round in your UFC debut fight. It's like there's such difference between the fighters from, especially fight from Cage Fight series, than going to the UFC. Obviously, there might be the better fighters in UFC, but what's kind of difference between the fighters of those promotions?
The big difference is, of course, the professionality of every fighter, because in the UFC they are just the best of the world, and the stage. It's a big stage, a lot of people are watching, and that's also impacting the mind, but I think I can treat that well.
That's true, and one last for me. Is there any specific names you would like to call out after the fight? Because there's many guys in the lightweight division, especially the top 15 is one of the best division right now in the UFC lightweight. So is there any specific names you are interested?
So this time I'm fighting at featherweight, like last time, but I'm just looking one step ahead, and that's Muhammad Naimov. That's not an opponent to look over it. I respect him. I think he's very strong, but Saturday night we are gonna see who is stronger.
And what's your overall view also of the featherweight division? Because Alexander Volkanovski got the belt back, Ilya Topuria moved up to lightweight. What's your thoughts about the top 5 right now in the featherweight division?
I think the top 5 in the featherweight division right now is amazing. It's a very, very high level, but as we know, everybody can win there. So let's see what happens.
Thank you.
Bir neçə sual verildi, qısa olaraq tərcümə edəcəm. İlk sual verildi ki, o Avropanı təmsil edən yeganə döyüşçüdür bu kartda. O da qeyd elədi ki, yenə də mən xoşbəxtəm və bu mənim üçün bir böyük bir hadisədir və düşünürəm ki, Avropada hamı məni dəstəkləyəcək. Sonra qeyd elədi ki, bu döyüşdə qalib gəlsən hansısa bir at divizionda varmı? Sən kimisə döyüşə çağırmaq istəyirsən. O deyir ki, məndən növbəti rəqibim Muhammad Naimovdur və mən heç kimi elə bil ki, ilk öncə bu döyüşü düşünürəm və da ondan sonra döyüşəcəm. Mən divizionun ən çətin divizionlardan biridir. Gəlin bu döyüşü gözləyək və ondan sonra başqa adı düşünərik.
Hi Bogdan, Yusuf from MMA 101. You fought in Saudi Arabia last time, and Muhammad Naimov also fought there. Both of you won. Have you seen him there or had any talks?
Hello, first. And yes, I saw him. We was in the warm-up area together. And we had a nice talk. It was a very respectful talk. And I think he's a good guy.
Now, we saw you in Saudi Arabia. Now we are seeing you in Baku. So you are fighting in very unique places where we don't have so many events. Are you planning to come to Abu Dhabi, maybe in October, or Las Vegas? What do you prefer if it comes to you?
I mean, the most important thing for me is just to perform good. And whatever the UFC has in plan for me, I'm ready.
We heard that you are a good chef. What is the best meal that you can prepare after a fight?
Oh, I'm not the best chef. I'm a good chef, but the best chef is my fiance right there. So the best meal I can prepare is, let me think. Protein pancakes. Protein pancakes are really good when I made them.
Nice. All the best, brother.
Hello, Bogdan. Welcome
Hello.
to Baku. I'd like to ask you that we all know from your interviews that you started training at 13. So I'd like to ask you, if you met your younger self today, what would you say to him?
Once again, please, my younger self.
Yes, if you'd met yourself in this age that you've started training, what advice would you give to him?
I would tell to my younger self to stay on the path because it's going to be successful and give it my all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Qısa olaraq yeni tərcümə edəcəm. Birinci, bundan əvvəl sual verildi ki, o cavab verir daha doğrusu. Mənim öz yolum var, mən hazır olmalıyam. UFC-nin mənlə bağlı planım varsa, mən həmişə hazıram. Sonra sual verildi ki, biz eşitdik, siz həm də yaxşı bir şefsiz, bacarırsınız. O da dedi ki, mən yoldaşım buradadır, o da yaxşı şefdir, nəinki mənəm. Və sonra xanım sual verdi ki, siz özünüzə nə məsləhət görərdiniz, əgər keçmişə qayıtsaydınız? O dedi ki, sadəcə öz yolumdan dönməməliyəm və daha yaxşı olmalıyım.
Thank you, everybody.